Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 simple ways that you can make Google money here in 2020. Alrighty, so you're going to want to stick around and see this video and get all the details. I'm going to get you started here right now. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. And as I told you before, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways or simple ways to make money on Google or through Google. And it's good for all of 2020. Should be good to do this at any time. Alright? So alrighty, well, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website. And if this is your first time here to my videos, what we do here is how-to videos, anything to do with making money online videos, because I'm always trying to come out with ways to bring financial and time freedom into your life with each and every money making type of video. Okay, also, if you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what's keeping you. Just go on ahead and reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty? Alrighty guys, well, with that all out of the way here, let's get started in today's video here right now. What we're going to do is come over here to Opera Browser and load up this site right here, muncheye.com. You see it up there in the address bar, muncheye.com. Kind of a strange sounding name for a website, huh? It is, but anyways, this website is all of the internet marketing launches on warriorplus.com and jvzoo.com as well. Now, if you don't have an account on Warrior Plus or jvzoo.com, all you got to do is just go to those sites. It's free to sign up for an account. Alrighty, just that easy. Now, what we're going to do here is, you see, these are all of the upcoming and current product launches. You can see by the dates right here. There's 3 of them that just launched today. But what you're going to want to do is, when you get here, you're going to want to scroll down and pick a launch that's about 1 week out, about 1 week away from the launch, because you're going to need it's going to take you some time to get prepared and get set up for the launch so that you're in the top position when the launch happens, and you'll be ready to make the most money here with this. Alright, so what you're going to do for this example, I'm going to choose 1 week out, and it's March the 31st, you see right here. I don't know if I can get close to that or not here, but it's right here, this one right here, Mike from Maine. It's the name of the product is $300 Day, and it launches on March the 31st. That's a good week out, so it gives us some time to get set up to make money with this. Alright, now, so what you want to do is you want to click on this link right here, and it should bring you over to the this page right here, and you can see that the launch is going through jvzoo.com, so get yourself signed up there for free and get ready for this. And now you can pick any of the launches that you want here. I'm just using this one as an example to show you how you can do this. Alright, now, and then what you see here is the product name is called $300 Day, and the launch date is March the 31st, as you see right here. And what you're going to do is come down here and click on the JV page right here. Alright, and when you click on that, that loads up this page right here, brings you over here, and you're going to want to sign up here to get your links and any notices and be eligible for prizes, because there are prizes here, as you can see in this launch, that you can win. So whoever sells the most will win $2,000 right on top of the money they've made from promoting this particular launch. Now, you can then, when you get signed up, you can get your links right here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to want to come down all the way to the bottom of the page, and you see that this is Mike from Maine. He's the guy that's launching this product. He's the owner of the product. And what you're going to do is you're going to contact him. Here's his email address. He's got his Facebook address and his Skype ID too. But what you want to do is send him an email and ask him for a review copy. Okay? You want to ask for a review copy of this product, or the review page for this product. Alright, and he should give that to you, no problem, because you're going to be doing a product review here. All right, and then after that, you get the review page. What you want to do is set yourself up a blog. All right, because you're going to write a blog post about the product called $300 Days. And if what you need to do, if you don't have a WordPress website, I recommend Bluehost hosting. It's $3.95 per month, and it's an easy one-click WordPress install. And you can also get a free domain here, because what you want to do is you want to get your domain under the name of the name of the product as close as you can. $300 Day, $300days.com, my300days.com, or something like that. Just create a unique domain name for your blog, okay? And you can sign up to Bluehost hosting. I do have the link for that down there in my description. Just click down there where it says get cheap Bluehost hosting, and that'll bring you over here, and you can get hosting with Bluehost for $3.95. Now, if you don't want to spend the $3.95 a month, you don't want to buy WordPress hosting, then the next best thing is to get a free blog set up over here with Blogger.com. You see that up here in the address bar, Blogger.com, and you can create a free blog here, okay? And then get set up and get ready to write your review. Now, what you're going to do is when you get your review page from the owner, when you contact him and he gives you that free review page, there will be enough information and images on that page for you to write your blog post about this. Okay, and the blog post will be something about review of in other words, your heading will be review of $300 day. So you're going to write your blog post, and then on the other hand, if you want to, well, if you're going to write it yourself, you want one to be between 500 and 700 word post about the review about this product. And if you don't want to write your own blog post, you don't feel like doing any of the writing or don't think you can or something, what you can do is you can come over to Fiverr.com. You see that I've typed in blog post right here. You see there's all kinds of people here that will write blog posts for you. I recommend you scroll down. You see some of the prices are a little high here on these, but you can find them if you look down through here. There's one down here I saw earlier. Right here it says, I will create your amazing blog post or article for just $5. And you see this guy's got a 5.0 star rating with about 17 reviews. So you want to click on it, check out his information. He says, I'll write a short article or blog post up to 500 words. That should be enough. Or 700. I think he's got a basic and a standard. He'll do a 15 for 25, and then a premium, 3 articles around 1,500 words apiece with in-depth research and keywords on the product as well for $60. But the basic should be enough, up to 500 words, and you'll need to give him the review page for the product that you got from the owner, and also your domain and or your WordPress or Blogger hosting, so that they can post that onto your blog for you if you want, or they can just give it back to you in a text file and you can post it yourself up on your WordPress or Blogger blog or website. Okay, so you can hire a article done for you for pretty cheap, $5. Now, if you but then on the other hand, once you get your blog post written, you want to get it to rank up in the Google search engines, like on the first page of Google, right? The way you're going to do that is you need to come back to Fiverr. You can use Fiverr or any other site like Conquer or even SEO Clerks or whatever, but for this example we're using Fiverr, and you see I've typed in here blog post backlinks in their search engine up here. Alright, and you get you see there's a lot of people here that will give you for fairly cheap, like this right here. This guy will build over 50 tiered contextual high quality blog post backlinks. The reason you want to get backlinks to your article is because that gets your article ranked up in Google, because the day of the launch people are going to be looking for reviews, which are going to be writing a review on this product, they're going to be looking for that, and you want your page to come up first on the first page of Google when they search for $300 day review, right? You see how that works? So you want to get some backlinks. Spend another $5 and get 50 high-tiered backlinks to your article. And I don't recommend doing more than 50 at a time. Do 50 for a couple of days, and a couple of days later come back and buy another 50 for another 5 and get about 100 backlinks to your article, which will really rank it up in Google. Get you up on that first page of the Google search engine when the launch happens, because people are going to be searching for reviews on that particular product. And you want them to find your review, and so that you get sales from that, right? Now, and then, but you want your backlinks to grow onto your website slowly over time. So about every, one day, 50, and then wait a couple of days and then order 50 more. That'll get you 100 backlinks back to your article for that product review. Now that's one way right there. You're going to rank your blog post up in Google. That's the first way. The second way is what you can do is you can come over to Facebook, and when you log into your Facebook account, most people have one. If you don't have one, it's free to create one. But what you want to do is you want to click on Create right here, and you're going to create yourself a Facebook page related around that particular product. $300 a day product review. So you'll create a page that will help your blog post also rank up, because it's related to, in fact you can even link it to your blog post, which will help as a backlink to and rank it up in Google even higher that way. So create your page around your product that you're that you chose off of Muncheye. Then that's the second way. And then the third way is, of course, would be YouTube. As you can see, I came here to YouTube and I've already typed in $300 day reviews. Now, mind you, this product doesn't launch until another week and 1 day from now, right? From this day, the 23rd of March, right now. But you can see there's already only 2 other people right now that have done reviews on this particular product. So if you use this product in this example in this website, you can get your review, do a little review off of your review page that the owner gave you to the product, and you can do a video review. As you can see, there's 2 people here that's done it right now. And so you can get in on this one pretty early right now, and this will also get you sales this way too, and also help you rank your blog post up, because you're going to link your blog post into the description on your video that you create on YouTube for this particular product. So you see how that's 3 ways right there. That's the third way. So it's 3 simple ways, and this is pretty easy to be done. It's just you want to start about a week before the launch on any of those products on Muncheye. You can come back and pick any of these products about a week out. You could even do them 2 weeks out or whatever, and that way it gives you time to get set up and get your blog post ranked up into the search engine, get your video up on YouTube, and get your Facebook page linked to your blog post with the information on the review on your Facebook page. And that should get you ranked up, and this is a way to make consistent money month over month over month over month doing this particular method. In fact, this particular method is also known as launch jacking. Alrighty? It's known as launch jacking. This is an easy thing to do. Anybody can do this, and I recommend that you come over and take action on this today and get set up and start doing this launch jacking for yourself, where you can make money hand over fist each and every month. Lots of money, and as you grow in it and become more and more known, it will people that bought from you in the past will also even buy from you in the future. And you can also set up emails to collect emails with this, with your own landing page as well, and market even to your email list when you set up for a product launch as well. Alrighty guys, well that's what I had for you today. I wanted to show you this easy, simple method to make Google money on using what's commonly called launch jacking. Alrighty? Well, guys, if you got some value out of this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to have your own full online business where you can make up to $4,000 a day possibility, you want to click that link down there. It says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and get signed up on my mailing list and check out the Online Business Builder Challenge and get a free training video from me that will show you how to make up to $1,000 per month right from your home, as well as check out the Online Business Builder with Legendary Marketer. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Alright? You guys take care. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.